This is why you need to know about Frog Farm's $123,706.61 airdrop. Get ready to unlock your USDT soon. Welcome back to Stan Cryptonial. Today we're diving into the exciting Frog Farm project and how you can withdraw your USDT from the liquidity pool. So, you might be wondering, when can I get my hands on my USDT? Right now the funds are locked until the Frog Farm project hits the 90-day mark. That's a whopping $123,706.61 waiting for you. Here's the scoop. The project allocates these funds for an airdrop, but they're locked tight until the 90-day milestone. After that, it's game on for withdrawals. We're in the countdown phase, folks. As soon as we hit day 90, you'll get detailed instructions on how to withdraw your USDT. It's going to be simple and straightforward. In the meantime, sit tight and stay tuned. We'll guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe to Stan Cryptonial for more updates on Frog Farm and other crypto tips. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Happy investing and see you next time.